This is the character, the finding of the character for History Fix. The host, I should say. Welcome to History Fix. I'm your host. You know what? Better yet, I'm your creator. I am Daniel. Tonight, we'll be talking about things and stuff. Not things and stuff necessarily, but history and shit. You know, the way it was supposed to be. The way people don't tell you about it. The way the government tried to wrap it up by giving you these things called history books and the History Channel and school. And they brainwashed you. You're gone. You're gone, and this is the only program that tells it like it was. This is History Fix. We will take you through time like it was supposed to be, telling real events how they really happened, without all that shit we call books and shit. This is History Fix. Hello. And guys, welcome to the first episode of History Fix. Alright, let's get to the bottom of things. There's a world back in 1964. You know, a lot of bad things happened in the 60s. A lot of people were shot and, well, people got sad. They got sad about shootings, and you know what? They're not all true. Take for instance. Oh shit. Whew. Glad we cleared that one up. Coming up next, you're about to see the world like it was meant to be seen. By beefcakes. Beefcake Presidents. The trilogy. Yeah, I mean, like, I'm running this country and, you know, I just want to get my pump. I just want to keep doing it. And you know what? I'm going to keep working at it. You know why? Because I'm the president. I'm JFK. That's all we have for tonight. That's all we have for tonight, but I don't know. Maybe keep watching because there's a lot more funny stuff to come ahead in this season of The History Fix. Coming up next week, we have shit you haven't seen yet. Probably because you've never seen it. That's why I'm saying this. And you get this. You know what? Cut it. Cut it.